Alright guys, Frank 450 Sports. So we had one break we couldn't do yesterday because there was some missing payments. So here we are with a single box break of Black Diamond. So here we go. We have a pack of Exquisite and the pack of Black Diamond. So let's start with the Exquisite pack. We have a patch. Nice. We have a nice patch, 15 out of 299 for the Arizona Coyotes. Dylan Strome. Nice hit. And now the Black Diamond pack. Alright, let's do it like that. We have a rookie number 399 for the New Jersey Devils, Pavel Zacha. We have a relics for the Pittsburgh Penguins, number 199, Paul Coffey. We have a championship rings for the Pittsburgh Penguins, Derek Pouliot. I'm not even sure he played in the playoff though. We have a base card number 249 for the Dallas Stars, Jamie Benn. And we have for the Carolina Hurricanes, Diamond Relic Rookie Single Diamond. 1 out of 99, Sebastian Aho. Nice hit for the Canes. So there you go, guys. We have multiple breaks tonight on eBay. We have 4 double box break of 14.50, so be sure to stay tuned. And we have multiple case break of Series 2 coming up. Thanks, guys.